Hello everyone. Today we'll learn to calculate the area of irregular figures. Irregular figures are the figures in which the number of sides are not fixed. So we cannot apply a direct formula to calculate the area of such kind of figures. So we will divide the figure into 2, 3 or 4 parts so that we can get some regular figures like triangles or rectangles or squares. Like in this figure, I'll divide it into 2 parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. This one is rectangle and this one is square. The sides of this rectangle will be 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter. And the sides of this figure will be 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Now we will calculate the area of both the parts and then we will add them to get the area of the figure. So area of first rectangle will be 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter, which is 10 centimeter square. And the area of the second rectangle will be 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter, which will be 9 centimeter square. So the area of the figure will be 10 centimeter square plus 9 centimeter square, which will be equal to 19 centimeter square. Let's take another example. Like in this figure, we have to divide it into 3 parts. Either we can draw a line here and here, or we can draw a line here and here. So I have divided it the other way. I have drawn lines here and here. So the measurements of this rectangle will be 8 centimeter and 2 centimeter. The measurements of this rectangle will be 1.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. And the measurements of this rectangle will be 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So the area of our first rectangle will be 8 centimeter into 2 centimeter, that is 16 centimeter square. The area of second rectangle will be 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter, which will be 6 centimeter square. And the area of third rectangle will be 3 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter, which will be equal to 4.5 centimeter square. Now to find the area of the complete figure, we have to add all the 3 areas. So 16 plus 6 plus 4.5, which will be equal to 26.5 centimeter square. Let's see another example. In this figure, we can divide it into 3 parts. We can draw a line here and then a line here. So we will get 3 rectangles with dimensions 2 centimeter into 1 centimeter, as this side is 1 centimeter. Then for the dimensions of this, we have this 5 centimeter, but we are not taking it till here. We are taking it till here. So this is 1 centimeter. So we will do 5 minus 1. So it will become 4 centimeter. And this is 1 centimeter. So the dimensions of this rectangle will be 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter. And for the dimensions of this rectangle, we have this 5 centimeter. And from here to here, this is 3 centimeter. But from here to here, this is 1 centimeter, as it is given in our question. So 3 centimeter minus 1 centimeter, so it will become 2 centimeter. So area of this rectangle will be 2 centimeter into 1 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter square. Then area of this rectangle will be 4 centimeter, as we have calculated 5 minus 1, 4, and this is 1. So 4 into 1 will be 4 centimeter square. And this is 5 centimeter into 3 minus 1, that is 2 centimeter. So it will become 5 into 2, 10 centimeter square. To get the area of the complete figure, we'll add all the 3, 10 plus 4 plus 2. So it will become 16 centimeter square. This is the another example that I have taken. This is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. So we can divide it like here and here, or here and here. So I have divided it into 3 parts. I have drawn 2 lines here and here. So the first part will be 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter. The second part will be 5 centimeter minus 1 centimeter. So this will be 4 centimeter. And this is 3 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. So from here to here, this is 1 centimeter. So this will be 4 centimeter into 1 centimeter. and from here to here this is 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. As we have calculated this as 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, so 1 plus 2, that is 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So this will become 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter, this will become 4 centimeter into 1 centimeter, and this will become 2 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So we will calculate all the three areas. 3 into 1, that is 3 centimeter square, 4 into 1, that is 4 centimeter square, and 3 into 1, that is 3 centimeter square. So the area of complete figure will be 3 plus 4 plus 3, that is 10 centimeter square. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. For any doubt or query, please comment in the comment box below.